How to update Fanatec DJ Pro. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to update the firmware of your Fanatec DJ Pro step by step. Let's make sure your racing gear is running as its best. Step 1. Download the Fanatec software. First, go to fanatec.com, click on Support and then on Downloads. Download the latest Fanatec driver package for Windows. Step 2. Install and launch the software. After downloading, install the software and open the Fanatec control panel. This will allow you to manage all connected devices. Step 3. Connect your DJ Pro to the PC. Now, connect your DJ Pro wheelbase to your PC using the USB cable. Turn on the base and make sure it's in PC mode. The LED should be red. Step 4. Run the firmware manager. Inside the Fanatec control panel, click Update or Firmware Manager. Follow the instructions to update the wheelbase, steering wheel, and pedals if needed. Step 5. Finish and test. Once all updates are completed, restart your DJ Pro. You're now ready to race with the latest improvements and stability fixes. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to update your Fanatec DJ Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.